1970 F100, big old Godzilla motor in here. Scary fast. So I've always wanted to replicate that truck. Boxwood Green over Wimbledon White, and this interior is one of the best parts. I can see why you say it's the everyday driver, you know?
You can, yeah. You can drive this every day.
I'm Dave Lange out here at Fender Garage picking up my brand new 1970 F100. These guys did a fabulous job doing. The history of this truck was my dad bought a 1968 F100 Camper Special. He drove that every day to work, and then in the summer times he was very adventurous, and we took that down, drove it all the way down to Cabo, where we had to go down to Guaymas and take the ferry across because there was no road. Drove it all the way down into Cabo. The next summer we drove it all the way down to Guadalajara, towing our little 12-foot aluminum boat. We do a lot of fishing. So I love that truck, had a lot of experience in it, and I wish when I turned 16 in 72, he gave that truck to me. And I drove it for a few years, loved that truck. I wish I'd have never sold it. So I've always wanted to replicate that truck. So it was the exact same Boxwood Green over Wimbledon White truck, same markings, Bumpside, Camper Special, long bed. So the guys at Fenders have really, really done a great job emulating it. My dad's name was Ed, and he was kind of, he was a VP, executive VP at Motorola, very intelligent guy, but he was kind of clumsy. And he always made messes and stuff. And my mom always said, "Oh, Ed, oh, Ed." So that's kind of what it kind of for him is, "Oh, Ed." And all the family still says that, even though they both passed away recently. But that's where the license plate came from.
Incredible. I was wondering what that "Oh, Ed." I was sitting here scratching my head like,
yeah, "Oh, Ed." I love to cycle, so I had Fender put this receiver hitch on so I could put my bike rack on it because it's going to be too high to put them over the tailgate, I think. 37 KO3s, the Mickey Thompson wheels. This is one of my favorite parts is the little toolbox. Same thing as I had on my 68. Great place to stash stuff so nobody can see it. The chassis, Fender's chassis, coilover shocks, Fox. Rides great, great suspension. Because of the height of it, we put amps on there to get in. I hope my wife can get up in there. We did give her a little cheater hook up here so she can grab that. So it's a 1970 truck because I bought that from Jason. Jason had bought it about a month before I got introduced to Jason through Howie. But I had him put the 68. The only thing, the difference between the 67 and 72s are the grills, so I had him replace it with a 68 grill. Big old Godzilla motor in here. That thing will burn out from a dead stop. It's an amazing truck.
Woo! She's ready.
Wow, that suspension.
Feels good, huh?
Touchy too, huh?
Yeah, it's got some power.
I can see why you say it's the everyday driver, you know?
You can, yeah. You can drive this every day. And everywhere you go, when you pull up, people want to come talk to you.
Yeah, I know it.
It's the easy way to make friends.
Right. Maybe too many friends.
Maybe too many. Yeah. Mash it all the way down. Just.
Yeah. Scary fast.
Yeah, it's fast. Yeah. Get used to it. Take your time. Yeah. And we'll turn left at the light. Now it's got plenty of juice for you. Yeah, just like that.
Perfect.
Easy peasy.
Amazing chassis, amazing suspension. And this interior is one of the best parts. How they matched all the air conditioning unit, the dashboard, the seats, they're so comfortable. Steering wheel. In my truck, I used to do a lot of dove hunting back in high school, and I had a gun rack put back here, so I'd store my shotguns with the sliding glass windows so I could always throw the beer cans out the back. Well, my first trip, I'm going to hang around here and drive it around here for the next month or so, but we also live up in Telluride, Colorado, so I'm going to drive it up to Telluride and enjoy playing around in the mountains with this thing all summer long, and then maybe it'll stay there, maybe it'll come back, I don't know. So.
That'd be sweet. Some more duck hunting, some more dove hunting? Or?
Yeah.
Hey, there you go.